Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today's video is gonna be a video about my hair. As you can see in the title, for the most part when I do my wash and goes, they last for like over 2 weeks. But since like I work out a lot now, 3 to 4 times a week, I wash it more, obviously, because of like sweating and all of that. I would say that I wash it like every week or every week and a half. So I will be showing you every single little thing and talking about like a bunch of stuff that I do, from how I wrap it up at night, how I refresh my curls in the morning, how I take care of my hair throughout the day. So I can't wait to share all this information with you guys. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to click on that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media, Instagram at REY_MMDL. Now let's get right into it. I washed my hair like I would say like 6 hours ago and let it air dry. So one thing I'm gonna say, when I wash my hair, I already apply my gel and then my moisturizer. What I like to do is actually just let it air dry. I don't like to use the diffuser. I know it's like less harsh on the hair than like a regular blow dryer, but I would rather let it air dry. And I feel like it's very hot right now. When I go out and run my errands, just give me like 2-3 hours and most of my hair like will be dry. So it doesn't really take long. While it's drying, like I like to like shake it sometimes, like from time to time, just so my curls can like separate themselves, like without me disturbing like what they have going on, because I feel like that's how I create frizz, by touching it. And yes, you cannot be touching your hair, you cannot be manipulating your hair, you cannot be doing anything, literally. And I know it sounds crazy, but yeah, I like to keep it simple and very, very cute, okay? Right now my hair, I would say, is 85 to 90% dry. This is the step where applying my hair oil. And the hair oil that I've been using, I feel like changed the whole game for me, and I will tell you exactly why. So the hair oil that I started using is from Naturall Club. I actually used their product before in the past and even filmed like a wash and go using like their products. So first of all, what I love about Naturall Club is the fact that it's black owned. Listen, we have to like support each other, so this is amazing. Naturall Club is also made for natural and kinky hair, which is great. So lately, for the past I would say like 8 months, I've been really into CBD. And they came out with the CBD line and I was just like, oh my god, like I have to try it. And I've been loving it since. And like I said, it's like a brand that I already tried in the past. I love the results, so I was really excited to try like that CBD line. So usually when my hair is dry, I like to use the revitalizing hair and scalp serum.
This serum is very effective because it reduces flaking and irritation to the scalp while moisturizing your hair, and it also improves blood circulation to the scalp, which promotes hair growth.
And literally, even when you apply it on the palm of your hand, like you can tell how moisturizing it is. So what I like to do is just apply it all over my scalp, literally. I feel like by touching the hair while it's wet, like that's how it creates frizz. So it's always better to wait until your hair is fully dry to do it. And it's like sometimes we tend to like focus so much on the hair and not on the scalp, and I feel like it's really important. And the fact that this does both is amazing. And it's like sometimes like I massage it, but I would do that like later. And the next part, this one is the revitalizing hair oil treatment.
So the reason why I like this hair oil treatment is because it reduces scalp inflammation and itchiness, and this formula can also be used on the body to improve skin dryness and itchiness all over as well.
And not even like 3 days ago, I scratched my scalp a little bit too hard and I started bleeding. So I feel like this helps a lot, okay? This helps a lot. I only use this when my scalp starts like itching like a little bit, just to stop it like right away. It's not like heavy on the hair, like it doesn't make your hair like greasy or anything. It's like very lightweight. These two are from like the Naturall Club CBD line, which I love, and it has 100 milligrams of CBD oil. I've been really into CBD for the past year or so. I feel like if you suffer from like stress, anxiety, insomnia, it helps a lot. It really helps a lot. So the fact that they came out with like CBD line, I was like, I gotta try it. I can't, and I've been loving it since. So these two are amazing. I wouldn't tell you to use it if I wasn't like personally using it, and I wouldn't tell you to try something if I didn't like it. So like all the products that I'm talking about in this video are legit what I use on my hair. Like this is part of my hair routine, so I wouldn't tell you to use this if it wasn't bomb, like the way I think it is. Okay, so one thing that I actually forgot to mention, which I think is honestly like amazing, is that a portion of the proceeds from sales of this CBD line is gonna go to the bail project to bail out all the wrongfully incarcerated. So I feel like this is a win-win situation. Okay, you get to try like this product, okay, while also helping other people. So once I'm done applying the serum and the hair oil, what I like to, you have two options. So the first option is to use the scalp massager, and I know that you guys been seeing me like use it under the shower, running through my hair and all of that. You don't have to only use it like on wet hair, you can also use it on dry hair. These like are great, and the serum actually increases like the blood flow. This scalp massager does that too. So when you combine both, you get the results that you want twice as fast. Okay, here's the power button, and then just let it sit for a few seconds and do this on like other spots, other areas. This is the first option. The second option, what I do sometimes when I have the energy with my head like upside down, we massage my scalp like that. But the reason why I don't really like it is because I feel like that's how you start like creating frizz. And the whole point of this video is for us to make our wash and goes, our curls like pop like longer. You're trying to get like long lasting curls, okay, until like the next wash and go. Once this is done, and it's nighttime, so I'm gonna go to sleep like in about like the next hour or 2 hours. How do I wrap up my hair at night? It's very, very simple. I just grab like a random scarf, which is this, okay, random scarf. I literally just pineapple my hair, but don't make the knot like too tight. But that's literally how I do it. And guess what? I just add my satin bonnet, put it on. And literally go to sleep. That's all. Like I don't do much. And so in the morning, I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna ask me what I do. So what I do is I remove the satin bonnet, obviously, untie my little scarf, and what I like to do first is just shake my hair just to see where it naturally falls, and then just use a spray bottle like with water in it, and then just spray my hair, shake it as I go, and yeah, that's literally it. And just fix my edges. That's literally the only thing I do. One of the main key point, use your hands for something else, but not for your hair, okay? I don't tease it or anything. I don't use a like comb. I don't use a brush to do anything to my hair. Literally, I try my best not to touch it. Don't disturb the curls, okay? Do not disturb them. If you want your wash and go to be long lasting, then do not disturb them. That's my hair routine. It's just a few, but I feel like they do a whole lot of work, so I like to keep it that way. Like very short, cute, simple. But yeah, this was the video. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. If you have any questions about what I use for my wash and goes, like to literally achieve this look, I have tons of videos about my wash and goes, different kind of products I've been using and I've been loving. Naturall Club is part of it. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, click on that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video, and also follow me on Instagram at REY_MMTL. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.